Hi guys, my name is Neha. I have done my MBBS and currently I am doing my MS OBGY from Sion Hospital in Mumbai. And believe me, my life is all work, no play. But recently, in my free times when I browse through YouTube videos, I have felt very much inspired to shoot videos because there has never been a video recorded by a doctor about their hectic life and how I go through my usual day-to-day activities. So I was thinking to start a YouTube channel, and my videos content will be all related to fashion, makeup, because I just love them, and studies, and my story, my residency story, because it has been the toughest time of my life. So this is my first video, and I am sitting in my room on a Sunday morning, which is free after like almost 6 days of work. So I just wanted to shoot a skincare video because that is something which we don't do as doctors. Believe me, we might recommend going to dermatologists, but we never do that. So I'll start shooting a video about my skincare. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I usually wake up in the morning at around 7:30, and it always is in a rush to hospital and take my ward rounds. But I generally try to follow a simple morning skincare routine. The cleanser that I use is this Cetaphil cleanser. It's been working great for my skin. I have never faced breakouts or anything, and it doesn't dry me out because I don't have a time for an extensive skincare regime. So after using the cleanser, I use this La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Astringent. It is very mild on your skin, alcohol free, and I think it nourishes my skin too. It has some hydrating properties. After that, I've been switching over between two of my serums which I like to use. Initially, I was using this Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. It had activated vitamin C in it, and it has worked wonders for my skin. In my busy schedule where I just can't, sometimes I might not even get time to wash my skin on day-to-day basis, it has done wonders. But now I have switched to this Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. Actually, it has 10% pure vitamin C, so it claims to decrease the appearance of lines and wrinkles, including brow, forehead, and lip lines, while improving skin firmness, texture, and appearance of pores. I do have a problem of pores on my T-zone, on this zone. It increases with stress and with hormonal changes, but by now I'm very much happy with this product. And then I use a sunscreen. I'm sorry for the state of this tube, it is so dirty, but I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. And that's my morning routine. I usually return at 5 o'clock after I leave my hostel room at 7 o'clock, but I have to go for an evening round to see my patients. And sometimes I'm not able to do a night skincare routine, sorry, but whenever I do, I again use my Cetaphil cleanser to wash my face and to get all my dirt out. And sometimes at least once or twice a week I do use a scrub. I use the Neutrogena Deep Clean Scrub. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, so this is the scrub that I use. This is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. It is written daily scrub, but I don't scrub daily because I see whenever I scrub more frequently, even if thrice a week, I tend to get more breakouts in my skin. So I use it once a week or maximum twice a week. After a scrub, I have been, now when I'm on my third year of residency, I do get a bit of extra time, so I try to use this sheet mask by Face Shop. I love this rice face sheet mask, though I have bunch of others. I have blueberry one, I have the aloe vera one, which is very soothing if it is cold and kept in refrigerator before using, and the cucumber one. I've been using, I try to use it at least twice a week, and the days when I don't use a sheet mask, which is, these are very nourishing sheet masks, and I use my La Roche-Posay astringent, Effaclar astringent. I use it thrice, and with a dabbing motion I just try to dab the product thrice, 3 times, instead of using one cotton swab and wiping my face off. I generally dab the product inside for 2 to 3 times. I have learned this from the Korean skin regime, and yes, it is very hydrating. And then I use this Kiehl's creamy eye treatment with avocado as my under eye cream in during night. And to be fair, or to be honest, I don't use that so often, though I try to, because I have quite a lot dark circles, and because of all the stress I get tired and I get under eye bags. But whenever I use, I see tremendous difference in the morning, where my eyes look more brightened and more open up. And then I use serum. I use 2 oils. I mix 2 oils as my night cream. One is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid. This night serum, I mixed it with bio oil. Now because I find that this Kama Ayurveda beauty fluid is just too thick for my skin. It makes me break out if I use it alone, but with the bio oil, it keeps my skin pretty much smooth and well hydrated. So that's and then my trusted lip balm. I can't live with my lip balm. I have multiple lip balms, but I love this Kiehl's one for nighttime because it is very nourishing, and it has vitamin E with it, which softens the lip. So yeah, that was my skincare routine. That is pretty much that I do, and that too not on a regular basis, though I try to do that on a regular basis. So this is my first video. I hope you guys like it, and I'll be uploading a video almost. I'm planning to upload 2 videos per week, but let's see in my busy schedule, because I have to finish my thesis and my other things. So I'll be planning, because I'm very much pumped up with this idea of sharing my routine, because I think people need it. All the resident doctors do need it for inspiration that you can maintain yourself with your busy ward work. So yeah, bye guys, see you later.